Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you know that I've come to Milan, and that's because I am doing my master's degree over here. So I'm here for around 4 to 6 months. I wanted to tell you guys this earlier itself, but there was just too much chaos and I had to do a lot of things, the packing, all of that stuff. And finally I have come and I've settled in my room. So that is the reason I thought that I should, start filming again and get back to my usual routine. So the moment I landed in Milan, I knew that I had to do some shopping as well. So I went to Sephora, obviously, and I picked up a few things as well, which I've been wanting for a really long time. And I picked up other stuff from NYX Cosmetics as well, and a few clothing items and shoes and bags and everything of that sort. So if you want to see what all I picked up in Milan, then please keep on watching. And I'm really sorry about the lighting and the background because the lighting is really dull in this room. It's yellow lighting, and the background is also very plain. I'm obviously going to decorate it further and then get back to the normal routine, but for now please excuse me. I really wanted to shoot a video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, obviously, we're going to start with Sephora because you want to know what I picked up from there. So I picked up a few things from there, and I've been wanting to try these products for a really long time, but these brands are not available in Mumbai Sephora. So I was really excited when I saw these. So the first thing that I picked up is this Hourglass Seamless Finish Foundation, and you guys know that this product is extremely popular and I really wanted to try this foundation out. And Hourglass, the products look so good, and this foundation is extremely famous as I mentioned. So I really wanted to try this out. So this is how the product looks like. I'm really sorry about the terrible lighting, but can't help it at the moment. So this is in the shade Sand, I think, yes. And they have a lot of colors in this, and the packaging is just so pretty. Look at this. Oh my god, this is a really nice packaging. So as you can see, it's a stick foundation, and I'm going to try it and let you guys know about it as well. So if you want a review on this, then let me know in the comments down below because I would love to do that one for you guys. So the next thing that I picked up is this blush and bronzer duo from NARS, and this has the Laguna bronzer and the Orgasm blush, which are really popular. And I really like the packaging. This was a mini size that I got because I really wanted to try these two out. And this is what it looks like up close. Okay, so it's really tiny, as you can see. Okay, and this is very travel friendly as well. So this has, on one side, this has the Laguna bronzer, and this is the Orgasm blush. Okay, so these are really nice. So this is what I picked up. The next two products are lip products because obviously I love them so much, as you guys already know. So this one is the YSL Glossy Stain. I really wanted a lip product from YSL because I don't have anything from YSL. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so the packaging is obviously stunning and the color is really pretty as well. I'm just going to swatch this one for you guys because the color is really nice. This is in the shade 5. And oh my god, this is such a nice pinky color, and this is like a stain which you can use on your lips as well as your cheeks. And this is what the color looks like. Okay, it's a really nice pretty pink color. Next thing I picked up is an Urban Decay lipstick, and this is in the shade Hitch High Comfort Matte, and this is a matte lipstick, and this is what the shade looks like up close. So this is a really nice nude pink color, and it's going to suit all skin tones as well. And Urban Decay has a lot of shades, so I obviously had to pick this one up because I know that I'm going to get a lot of views out of this. So right now it's really cold in Milan. It's around 3 to 4 degrees. So I obviously had to buy a moisturizer because I forgot one at home, silly me. So I picked up the Clinique Pep Start Hydro Blur Moisturizer, and this is a new launch from Clinique, and this is what it looks like up close. Okay, so this is meant to blur out the imperfections on your skin. This is not really moisturizing as such. This is good if you're just doing makeup or something of that sort, but this is not obviously useful for me in this weather. I need something even more moisturizing, so I will definitely go and get the Kiehl's Ultra Moisturizer that's there. But I really wanted to try this out, so I picked this one up. Then I stocked up on some masks as well, and the first one is a lip mask, and this is a sheer lip mask, and this is what it looks like. And the second one is a rose eye mask, which is for ultra moisturizing and brightening, and this is what that one looks like. And the third one is a pearl eye mask, which is again for perfecting and brightening. And the last one is a charcoal nose strip, and this is what that one looks like. So that was all the stuff that I picked up from Sephora. Obviously, I'm going to shop more and more, and I'm going to show you guys all of that on Snapchat. So make sure you add me. The username is Siddhi because all the updates are there first. So make sure you do that. And then I went to NYX Cosmetics as well, and this is the bag. And I picked up around 3 to 4 things, not much. So the first one is this NYX Dewy Finish long lasting setting spray, and this is what that one looks like. This setting spray is really good and I love that dewy finish, so that's the reason I got this one. Then the second one is this new launch from NYX, and this is the illuminating stick which is meant for your face, like mainly your cheeks obviously. And what is this shade? This is in the shade 03 Brick Red Blaze, and this is what I have on my cheeks today. Okay, so this is like a stick. Okay, this is the shade, which is really good. It has a lot of shimmer in it as well. Then the third thing that I picked up is this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade 619, and this is what that one looks like. This is a nice rust color. Then I also went to a department store in Milan. I picked up this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil, and this is what it looks like. So I cannot read what they have written because obviously it's all in Italian and I obviously cannot read Italian. But this is a face oil which you can use with your foundation, or you can just use it for moisturizing purposes, and it didn't have an oil, so I picked this one up. So that was it for cosmetics. Then I went to another store which is called as Bershka, and I picked up a few clothing items and also a few bags and shoes as well. So this is a bag that I got. It's a really cute bag. Okay, and this is perfect for traveling and going anywhere because it fits in my wallet and my phone and all the other necessary items that are there. So I picked this one up. It's really nice. And I love tan color, so whenever I see a tan colored bag, I need to have it. The next thing that I picked up is again a bag from Bershka, and this is what it looks like. Okay, it's a nice white bag with a hint of pink in it, and this will fit in my all my college stuff, so my laptop and my books and all of that. So that's the reason I got this one. So yeah guys, those were all the things that I picked up in Milan. I'm obviously going to shop more and I'm going to keep on showing it to you guys as well. So definitely follow me on my social media and add me on Snapchat as well, because all the updates are going to be there first. So make sure you do that. And thank you so much for having so much patience and bearing with me. Obviously I'm going to change the background as well. I'm not going to keep it like this, and it's just going to be a different journey for me altogether. Obviously settling here is slightly difficult because it's a new environment for me altogether, so I'm going to take some time, but I will get back to all the normal things, I mean the daily routine that's there. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. And as I mentioned, follow me on my social media and make sure you hit the subscribe button right now because we are very close to 5,000 subscribers. So please do that. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Love you.